standing. We installed a 5 kilowatt all-in-one diesel heater. As you can see down here, there's an exhaust that comes out on the driver's side. And then we'll go around and I'll show you the inside. Sorry, I gotta unlock this here. Alright, as you can see, when we open the doors, got a nice doorway, entry area. We go inside. And our AC inverter and storage is in here. Low voltage disconnect relays down on the bottom, so never have to worry about it draining your batteries. There's the Segway charger and storage underneath. And now we have a bamboo bench seat that goes between the storage and the bed. And then to remove this, we lift up and slide it over. And then you can see our diesel heater that is underneath. There we go. And basically you just unscrew your cap, pour your diesel in. It's got a indicator on the side. And then your controls for the diesel heater are right here. You have remotes. There's a remote here that you can take off and go wherever you want. You have the basic control panel, which has the thermostat inside it. And then over here in the bedroom area, in the back corner, there is another remote. Okay. All right. And then to put this seat back on, lift it up. Kind of hard to do with one hand here. Line it up and slide it over, and that's it. And you got a nice little bench seat. See if I can show you how it is to sit on it. Just like